first, let's get in a reaction of Devendra Fadnavis as well as he went to vote in the earlier part of the day.
लोकतंत्र का ये महोत्सव महाराष्ट्र की विधानसभा के निमित्त से हमको दिखाई पड़ रहा है और मेरी जनता से अपील है कि सभी लोग बढ़ चढ़कर मतदान में हिस्सा ले। मैं ऐसा मानता हूं कि लोकतंत्र में हम जिनको चुनते हैं उनसे अपेक्षाएं भी रखते हैं, हमारी आशाएं आकांक्षाएं भी उनसे जुड़ी होती है और सभी को ये अपेक्षाएं रखने का अधिकार है, लेकिन जो वोट करते हैं उनको ये अधिकार अधिक है। इसलिए मैं ऐसा मानता हूं कि सभी लोग लोकतंत्र में सहभागी होए और मतदान करें, यही मेरी सबसे अपील है।
Rahul, coming to you next, where exactly are you and have you chatted with anybody?
Well, I'm standing right in front of Activity High School. Here, the BJP candidate is here, and I have with me Saina NC, who is spokesperson of BJP. Ma'am, very low turnout out here in Activity High School, less than 5%. How you decode it?
I think this is the beginning of the day. South Mumbai has always been low as far as voter turnout is concerned. There are multiple campaigns that a lot of people are, including the Election Commission, are running. And I hope people come and vote, because only if you vote can you criticize. Only if you vote can you question the administration. Otherwise, you're just a silent spectator, or your voice has no value at all.
I wanted to understand from you, I talked with Congress candidate as well. He said that BJP is not doing much on ground level. How do you see it?
I don't think that's true at all. BJP is the only party that is working on ground, and do understand people of Maharashtra have decided they want stable government, they want a non-corrupt chief minister, they want good governance, and of course a proactiveness which our government has shown in 5 years. So I'm sure that in the days to come, people will continue to repose faith in Prime Minister Modi as they have in Devendra Fadnavis, and the people of Maharashtra are very, very intelligent. They know exactly what they have to do.
If we'll talk about the entire infrastructure issue, many tragic incidents had happened in the last 5 years. What we have seen CST bridge collapse, we have seen Andheri bridge collapse. So people are really very angry with that. Apart from that, there are metro construction going on, because of which there is heavy traffic. So why do you think people will go out and vote for BJP?
There's no denying that what we inherited was a lack of civic infrastructure. But our Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has tried very hard with the Mumbai Metro, Coastal Road, Trans-Harbour Link to release the pain of the Mumbaikar, and the speed at which we're working is known to one and all. Of course, the development plan which we have been long awaiting is also going to be a huge, huge benefit to the Mumbaikar, because the little that is left of open spaces is what we want to keep the way it is. And of course, when it comes to transportation, the carbon footprint that we're just inhaling in normal fuel emission is substantial. So to combat the environment, the metro is going to be a huge, huge solution.
So well, BJP is quite confident they will come back again in power, but as far as here in Activity High School is concerned, voter turnout is very low.